1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hi, I'm Caramel. Welcome back to my channel. So, beautiful people of the world, I paint my face like this so you can paint your face like this. So, if you want to know how to paint your face, how I paint my face, then you should keep watching this video. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna do my face first. We got a moisturizer face, and I'm using some coconut oil. Not too much though, okay? Don't use too much. On to the part I've been procrastinating, the eyes. I'm scared. I don't want to do this. But like, yeah, I do. So right now I'm priming my, oh my gosh. Now I'm priming my eyelids using the Ulta Beauty Nude Matte Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, first color we're gonna use today, soldier, is Escape, and it's this purple right here in the James Charles Morphe palette. And I am going to pack that all up and through my crease. Buff out the edges a little bit using a clean blending brush. Now on top of that, I'm going to use the shade 518. It's that orange at the top. Now I'm going to dip my blending brush into You're Kidding. That's the red right there to blend those two colors together. Now going into the shade Benny. This dark brown looking sister over here. Use that to darken up the crease even more. I like this eye a lot better. Did I already say I'm cutting the crease? I'm cutting the crease. So now I'm gonna go into the shade that all in the front, like third of your eye. Now I'm gonna put 518 right in the middle of my eye. And on the outside, I'm gonna visit Escape again. Tie that all together. I'm gonna take a blending brush and go into You're Kidding and blend that into 518. Now we're gonna go back to Escape and put that in the outer corner. Now I'm taking Benny on a little smudge brush and doing a little number with that on the edges. Now I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna put Playground, that's this bright blue right here, in my inner corner because I'm not scared. Dude, that's pretty cool. Okay, actually, I'm gonna dig into Hello. Is that light blue shimmer. Girl! Okay, so we're done. There's still parts of it that could be better, but like, yo, this is progress. I'm actually really happy about it. I hope you are too. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But if you did, be sure to leave a like, you know, a thumbs up, because I love your love. Your love is my drug. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. It'll be linked down below, unless of course I forget, in which case it won't be. Until next time, ciao.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you.